Right, assalamualaikum everyone. ICP, man, it's making me proud. It's making daddy proud. I'm the father of ICP, by the way. And the thing, thing is, the crazy thing about ICP is that we've done it, man. You see, 2 days ago, I made a video for you that you do have this one pattern you've broken out. You went up and you're looking to come down, and you actually came down pretty much, had a retest. This is much more clear on the 1 hour time frame. So let's get into the 1 hour time frame. Look at that, right? Look at that one trend line, a break above the trend line, come down for the retest, hold the retest. Now you have an uptrend and you have a technical target on the 1 hour time frame to really move up, and that's going to be somewhere right, it actually looks something like this, and you're breaking above it. So I do expect the next move for ICP to be from there to there. At least on the smaller time frame, it's going to be 10.8, and that number one gives you a move up of nearly 9% or 10%. Secondly, right, is on the daily. The daily time frame shows that ICP is actually targeting for 15.316. It's no secret. This is the video that got popular amongst you, and thank you so much for those good words. It feels nice, man. You guys really know how to motivate someone. So if you want to keep me motivated, man, just follow the channel. Tell me what you think about ICP. I like the project. I'm a huge fan and an investor as well of ICP. ICP is one of those coins that really makes crypto look good out there for people who are new, right? If people ask you, oh, what is crypto good about, and this and that, go and tell them, go and learn what ICP is. And man, it's a real project. It makes crypto proud. It's not like telling someone, oh, a frog started pumping. Frog, do you know what I mean by that? You need a high IQ to understand what frog is. And then you have another one, which is a dog pumping all of a sudden. I'm pretty sure you know what I mean by the dog. Fill in the blanks, you get it, right? But you have ICP, that when you tell someone, hey, ICP is this, it has a burning cycle mechanism. It's meant to be deflationary instead of inflationary. So, wow, right? People can build project on top of ICP blockchain. There's so many things you can tell them that really makes a person just fall in love with crypto. And especially when it comes down to Web3, which is the next web, this is the coin that is on the front right now. So yeah, here's your pattern on the daily. The break happened, the retest is there, 15.227. So let's go. I am absolutely pumped up to see this thing move up. So yeah, 6.989 is a dead end for me. Of course, we have to balance things. So if we ever see ICP coming here, that's going to be on a pattern wise, it just invalidates the technical target here, but it doesn't invalidate how good of a project this is still going to be, even though you came down. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.